A faceless YouTube channel is a fantastic way to share your ideas without showing your face. This means you create videos where the content is the star. You might use animations, stock footage, screen recordings, or just your voice. Many creators love this approach. It allows them to focus purely on the message or the entertainment value they want to provide. This type of channel can be just as engaging, if not more so, than channels where the creator is always on screen. The key is to deliver high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Think about it. Your information becomes the central point, attracting viewers interested in what you offer. One of the biggest benefits of running a faceless channel is privacy. Many people have great ideas but are not comfortable being on camera. They might be shy, or they might want to keep their online activities separate from their personal or professional lives. A faceless channel removes this barrier completely. You can build a massive following and a successful online business without anyone needing to know what you look like. This comfort factor can unleash creativity, as you are not worried about your appearance or on-camera performance. It's all about the value you bring through your content, making it a very accessible option for aspiring YouTubers worldwide. Another significant advantage is scalability. When your face isn't tied to the brand, it's much easier to outsource content creation. You can hire scriptwriters, voiceover artists, and video editors without disrupting the channel's feel. This is harder to do when viewers expect to see a specific person. With a faceless channel, the style and quality of the content define the brand, not the individual. This makes growing your channel and increasing your output much more manageable. You can build a team to produce more videos, allowing you to scale your operations efficiently and reach more people with your valuable content. Finally, faceless channels often mean reduced production pressure regarding personal appearance. You don't need to worry about your hair, makeup, or what you're wearing. You also don't need a fancy studio setup with perfect lighting for filming yourself. This can save a lot of time, money, and stress. The focus shifts entirely to the quality of the information, the script, the voiceover, and the visuals you use. This allows creators to channel all their energy into making the content itself as good as it can possibly be. This dedication to content quality is what ultimately attracts and retains viewers, building a loyal community around your expertise.